Are you looking to up your breakfast game? Well, let's jumpstart our day with a hot cup of bone broth. This amazingly easy breakfast only includes 4 ingredients: bone broth, egg, green onion, and bacon. I'm going to start by chopping the cooked bacon down into smaller bite-sized pieces. With the bacon set aside, now I'm going to slice some green onion. With the rest of the ingredients prepped, the final step is to beat this egg. I'm going to start by heating this cup of bone broth to a simmer, but not quite to a boil. Now that I'm starting to see some bubbles in the bone broth, I'm going to start to swirl this and then add my egg. And now it's time to plate. Pour my broth. Add a little bit of salt. A little fresh cracked pepper. Some bacon, a lot of bacon, and now top with green onion. Now it's time to taste. So good. Perfect way to start the day. If you like the recipe, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. In the meantime, check out one of the videos over here, or over here, or check them both out.